How can we change our profile picture on Discord Mobile? We're already in our Discord application, but before I show you how you can change your profile picture, we first need to give the Discord app access to our photos. So we can do this by opening the Settings app on our phone, and I'll explain how to do this on your Android in a second, but on iPhone, we're going to go towards the bottom and open this Privacy and Security option. After that, I'll scroll a bit down and locate the Photos option. Here's a list of all the apps that need access to our photos gallery, and I'm going to select Discord and allow the app full access to my photos. But if you're using an Android, then you'll want to open your Settings app, scroll down to Apps, and find Discord in your app list. From there, tap on Permissions, then select Photos and Media, and make sure you allow Discord to access your photos. Once that's done, you can open the Discord mobile app, and then tap on You at the bottom right corner. Edit Profile, and then tap this little pen icon in your profile picture. All that's left is to click on Upload Image and select the photo which you want to use as your Discord profile picture. That's about it for this video, everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.